Hello, hello. Yeah, okay. So good morning, everybody here, and good afternoon or good evening for those who are joining remotely. Sorry for the few minutes of delay. As you know, we are back from pandemic, so this room we are using for the first time after 2 years. Technology has changed, and a lot of things have changed, so we are trying to regroup. Um, just to check if remote people are able to hear me. If there are any issues, please. Okay, sounds good. So I'd like to again, I'm DK Panda from Ohio State University. I'd like to welcome to this 10th annual event. I'm very happy that we started this event in 2012, and then we have been successfully doing it for 10 years. And so if you take a look at like the broad idea of this event, we call it MHAPI's user group to discuss and share the knowledge of all the different libraries we have, experience on large systems. A lot of people use our stack for all scientific and AI applications. We want to listen to them and understand what kind of concerns they have, exposure to tuning and optimizations, and then sharing common knowledge and troubleshooting procedures. So we have an excellent set of speakers here. As you can see from the list, we have speakers from many different organizations here, almost 18 different organizations. We crossed like today morning around 100 registrations from 29 different organizations and 8 countries. Many of the people are joining remotely. So today we have a very tight schedule, but the first day is mostly on the tutorials kind of things. We'll formally start the conference tomorrow morning. So as you can see from the schedule, we'll first start with kernel-less network, which is the Dennis will be talking about high performance leaf fabric provider for omnipath networks, that is OPX. Then it will be followed by talk from NVIDIA, Mellanox, Rich Graham, offloading collective operations to the Bluefield DPU. Then we'll have a tutorial from Broadcom, focusing on HPC and ML communication benchmarking. And then after that, we'll have a presentation from xScale Solutions, focusing on accelerating HPC applications with MHAPis2 DPU and live demos. And then we'll be having a series of tutorials from the MHAPis2 group. We'll start with boosting performance of HPC applications with MHAPis2. And then we have a tutorial on our OSU INAM tool, which is InfiniBand network analysis and monitoring tool. And then we'll have discussion and presentation on high performance machine learning and deep learning with MHAPis2. It will be followed by how you can benchmark parallel Python and Java applications using OMB and MHAPis2. And as indicated earlier, we'll also have a visit to the State of Ohio Computer Center. So this is the Ohio Supercomputer Center. The main machines are in a different building. So we typically organize tours. I believe some of you, all the people got an email. If you would have indicated your interest, we'll have that tour in the afternoon at 5:45. If we'll have a tour today, we'll also have a tour tomorrow. So depending on your availability, we can take you. This is courtesy of Ohio Supercomputer Center. Just make sure that if you want to change anything, just let us know in advance because they require like the list of people who want to visit. Okay. So with this, and then we'll have a reception in the evening. I'll go into more details in the afternoon. So with that background, I'd just like to thank all our sponsors. Without their help and support, it would not be possible to take care of this event. So with this, let me